This is a 6-unit flour mill for professional flour processing and production. It is equipped with 6 18.5 kilowatt grinding machines. The machine body is made of 3.5 cm cast iron, built for stable operation. Its hard alloy grinding rollers feature high hardness and excellent wear resistance, delivering uniform grinding and fine, high whiteness flour. The Plansifter has a total sifting area of 66 square meters. Materials are sifted thoroughly through the natural oscillation, producing clean, pure flour. For more details, leave your comments below.